Lightning can strike 15 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located near Nora, or 19 miles northwest of Freeport, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, New Glarus, Monticello, Albany, Browntown, Jordan Center, and Judah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.